I think a trials back tyre would probably be worse, trying to get up out of there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think I might go for a trials tyre for the summer.
Yeah, I was thinking about it, but I'm quite pleased how well that's doing.
Yeah. How'd you find that?
Brilliant, love it. I've never had anything else, so I've got nothing to compare it to, but yeah, I love it.
That's a trial one, isn't it?
It's the X.
Yeah.
Yeah, not the R. Same motor, different cam, isn't it? That's all it is. It's the same as the R. No, I think it's lovely.
Oh, stuck on that slimy shit down there.
I thought, fuck this, I'm going.
Yeah, get over it.
Did you dab or get up? Did you dab?
In 2008 or something like that. I had a 2008 46 days. Yeah. Oh no, it's Greece.
Bike's on fire!
So we're on holiday. Here, Robert. We're on holiday. These Argentinians come in and say, "Well, you got Argentina all over your podcast."
Really?
Bike's on fire!
Won't be the fucking first time.
Everyone here?
No. So I'm doing my best.